Welcome back to Edulexis. Today is day 82. We are moving away from pure coding to a critical developer skill of version control. Why do we need it? Imagine you're building a massive project. You make a mistake, and the code breaks. How do you go back? Or, what if you're working with a team? That is where Git and GitHub come in. Version control is essentially a time machine for your code. It records changes made to files over time so you can recall specific versions later. It keeps track of who changed what, when, and why. Think of it as save as on steroids, where every save is a documented milestone. Let's clarify, Git is a tool-A version control system you install on your computer. GitHub is a Service-A platform in the cloud where you store your Git projects. Think of Git as the software in your notebook, and GitHub as the library where you back up all your notebooks for the world to see or keep private. First, you need to install Git from git-scm.com. Once installed, open your terminal. We need to configure it so it knows who you are. We use git config global user.name and git config global user.email. This is crucial because every commit you make will be assigned with this identity. Navigate to your project folder in your terminal. To start version control here, run git init. This creates a hidden .git folder. It is now a Git repository. It is empty for now, but Git is ready to watch your files. Understand the workflow, working directory, staging area, and local repository. When you change a file, it's in the working directory. When you Git add, you move it to the staging area you're preparing it. When you Git commit, you lock it into the repository as a saved version. Let's make a change to a Python file. Now, run git status to see what's modified. Run git add filename.py to stage it. Finally, git commit update function x. The commit message is vital. Write clearly so your future self understands what you did in this version. How do we check history? Runs git log. You will see a list of every commit you've made, complete with author, date, and your message. It is the history of your progress. You can use these unique commit hashes to jump back to any previous state if something goes wrong. What if you want to test a new feature without breaking the main code? Use branches. Run git branch feature name. Then git checkout feature name. Now you are working on a parallel timeline. Your main branch remains untouched until you decide to merge your new work into it. Once your feature is complete and tested, go back to the main branch with a git checkout main. Now run a git merge feature name. Git intelligently combines your changes. If there are conflicts like two people changing the same line, Git will ask you to fix them manually. It keeps the process clean. Now, let's go online. Create a repository on GitHub. It gives you a URL. Back in your terminal, link your local repo to GitHub using a Git remote at origin URL. Now your code isn't just on your laptop, it's linked to the cloud. To send your local work to GitHub, use git push origin main. This uploads your branches and commits. Now, if your laptop dies, your code is safe on GitHub. Anyone you invite can see it, too. What about getting code? If you see a cool project on GitHub, you clone it. The command is git clone URL. This creates a full local copy of that project on your machine, including its entire version history. It's the primary way developers share and collaborate. When working in a team, others might push changes while you are working. Always git pull her before you push. This fetches their updates and integrates them into your local copy, ensuring you're always working with the latest version of the code base. To wrap up, commit often, use clear messages, keep branches focused, and always pull before pushing. Git and GitHub are not just tools, they are the backbone of professional software development. Master these, and you are ready for real-world projects. See you tomorrow on day 83.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.